Hi, what's your name?
Hello, good morning, ma'am. My name is Diana Perreras.
Diana, how are you?
I'm fine, a little bit, excuse me, a little bit nervous, but I'm managing it.
Diana, how old are you?
I'm 27 years old, ma'am.
And what can you tell me about your family?
I'm single. We are five in the family, and I have two siblings, and I am the youngest. I have one brother. He is the eldest, and my sister with 1 month old and 2 months, 1 year and 2 months old baby boy. So we are five in the house.
Okay, and what can you tell me about your working experience, Diana?
Ma'am, I graduated with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I am a registered nurse here in the Philippines, but I'm very much willing to work as a nanny for Romania. After being licensed, I first took some trainings that would further enhance my knowledge and skills. I know how to do first aid, basic life support, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, and intravenous therapy. And then afterwards, I was able to work in hospitals to practice my profession and become more competent as a professional. And during my stay, I was able to handle different patients with different medical conditions. As a healthcare provider, my responsibility is to provide them with safe and quality patient care. And after my contract has ended, one of my relatives hired me to be a personal nanny to her 1 year old baby girl. And some of duties and responsibilities are feeding the child a combination of bottled milk and solid foods, but I always see to it that I always observe for aspiration precautions. And I also bathe the child, dress her, played with her, and do some activities that would enhance her mental capacity, like basic learnings, like shapes, colors. Sometimes we sing nursery rhymes, the letters of the alphabet, some like that. And I also do first aid and application of proper medical intervention whenever she is injured. And one time she got sick. As a nurse, I'm knowledgeable on what to do, so I take the temperature of the child and administer fluids to hydrate the child. So I was able to apply my knowledge in nursing. So it was a big help also. And sometimes I took her to playgrounds and read storybooks. She loves storybooks. I read her before going to sleep.
How about
Uh,
preparing some food for the children? What would you feed, for example, 1 year old child?
1 year old child is already a combination of bottled milk and solid foods. But like what I've said, first I make sure that she is tolerable to chew the food. Examples are like mashed potato, the soft foods like that, yogurt, some cereals,
Okay.
um, so as to prevent aspiration precaution. It's very important to always observe that.
Do you think you can manage to take care of one child, 1 year old, for 2 days by yourself? Let's say the parents are away on a trip and they will
Yes.
let you stay with the child alone for 2 days in the house. You
Yes.
think you can do it?
Yes. Oh yes, ma'am. I can manage. I know how to deal with a child under a certain point of his or her age. Somehow I'm knowledgeable on how how to treat the child, provide her or him with basic needs, emotional needs. And right now, I'm taking care also of my 1 year old and 2 months um, baby boy nephew. So I think it's also manageable to handle a child under 1 year of age.
Diana, what if in this time, when you are alone with
Yes,
him, the
yes,
child starts to feel sick, like having high fever and
yes.
vomiting, and you are alone with him? What do you do?
First, I will check the temperature if it's in the normal range, and then if it exceeds in the normal range, I do the tepid sponge bath. Like I will get a towel and then soak it in a tap water and put it into the forehead of the child so as to lower the body temperature. And then I will hydrate the child by administering fluids, and then I will observe her, and then I will wrap the child and bring it to the nearest hospitals. So before bringing the child to the hospitals, I must do first what I can do as a healthcare provider and as a nurse.
Very well, Diana. And tell me, what are your hobbies? What are your passions? How do you like to spend your free time?
Um, I want to spend my free time. Actually, ma'am, I love to travel. I want to discover new things. I want to meet new people and adapt to certain culture or a place where that is new to me. So if I'm given the chance to go to Romania, maybe I will spend my free time in knowing the country and knowing all about the country, the culture, and how to deal with the people, so I can adapt easily.
This is great. Thank you very much for